Hello, my name's Mandy and today I'm going to show you how to make a nature notebook. It's made very simply with card and paper and some string. Measure your card to fit the unfolded paper and cut it out for your notebook cover. Then fold the card in half and punch out the holes. Fold your paper in half and then mark it to line it up with the holes of the card. Then punch holes in the paper. Measure a piece of string which is 2 lengths of your notebook, snip and thread it through the holes. Tie a knot first, then a bow. Fold the card against a ruler which makes it easier to open, and trim the edges if you need to. Write the name of your notebook on the front. And now it's time to decorate. You can draw, paint or cut out shapes like I am. I think maybe a little bee is going to come along as well. So there you are. A nature notebook. If I show you the one I made earlier, this is how I fill it in, with the date, where you were and what you saw. You can take photographs and print them out when you get home, or you can draw a picture. You can make different sorts of notes, so you can say where you found them, describe what you found and maybe what they felt like, and I also give a score to say what I thought of it. I love forget-me-nots, they're so pretty and very tiny like little fairy flowers. So I think I liked the seagull, but he was very, very noisy, so I'm going to put 2 stars. And there you are.